I like walnuts and pecans. Those are my favorite kind of nuts. Besides the other one. The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with I shouldn't even be outside. I got somebody inside waiting on me. And I'm playing with their emotions. Sorry, but I'm outside tonight. I might pull up to 40, love with 40 of them. What's the fuck if you know I don't love them? Cold-blooded, but it's warmer than I love it. When I'm talking about making love with you, these bitches wanna make me love you. Damn, it makes me think that breaking up is stupid. But you got your phones right outside of the crib. You can ride every day. You can ride stick and day that you need it. It ain't no secret. Am I bad if I come back and you don't talk to me? You told me a couple days ago you all for me. I know you lying, but I'm making it easier. And I know you fine. I should be home. I shouldn't even be outside. I got somebody inside waiting on me. And I'm playing with their emotions. Sorry, but I'm outside tonight. And I'm back on the block like it's hot. Pop the Hennessy, I didn't lie. Think I need a little bit more. You don't know what it's like to be yours. And I ain't trying to blow up your spot, but girl, you ain't wild now no more. Money keep piling up for sure. You can take me out the doghouse for sure. I'm trying to tell ya, I still your fella, Rockefeller, even though I'm no teller. But I'm outside the crib, but it's over big. Hey y'all, hey, happy Monday. Today is June 23rd and it is 12:40. Y'all, I got too many notifications on my phone. It's 12:40 and today I was gonna go for a walk up the street. That's what I'm gonna be doing every day. I'm not even going to film it every day. I like to keep stuff private, especially this. This is one of my biggest accomplishments that I need to accomplish. Okay, I haven't accomplished it yet. I want to lose weight. Okay, so I'm gonna walk every day. Okay, and start up the street, and then my block is like quiet, so I can walk around the block as long as I get some steps in. That's fine. The only thing with me is eating, so I'm really not gonna show that part because I don't want to be like, oh, I did this, I did that, and I did something bad, and I ate this. Okay, so I'm gonna gradually take my time with that, and I'm gonna give myself grace. Okay, but I definitely want to walk. I want to bike as well. So much in my mind. I want to bike as well, but right now, today, y'all, I am, besides walking on this trail up the street, I'm going to go ahead and go with my mom and take her patient. She wants to go out. When I go out, she always fills my tank up, so that's a blessing, and I need that, okay? Because, baby, we in research right now, and I'm being hit hard, okay? So, this past weekend, I had wanted to do something for Black God, went outside, didn't do nothing, basically, with the person I was with. Other than that, y'all, I'm starting my week off fresh, my mind fresh, everything fresh, and I have to get active. I'm getting back to myself after the move. The move was crazy. Like, I couldn't create content, I couldn't do none of that. I could, but everything was, like, so, like, in a rush. Like, we had to do this, we had to do that. So it really wasn't no time in the process to create the content. I just had to hurry up and do it. Couldn't do it smoothly. But it's 12:42 and I'm about to go. I'm about to start heading that way. And once I hit that way, we're just basically going to go get some lunch. Now, my lunch is going to be different from theirs. They are getting Maxwell's. I'm going to get a salad and I'm going to eat some fruit. I want some fruit from somewhere, but yeah, I'm going to eat some fruit from somewhere. And also have this right here that I'm going to be drinking on. I also took my dietary supplement. I don't know if y'all seen them, but they on the TikTok shop. I want to let y'all know how they work. So this is my first day trying it. I might be having to go to the bathroom in a second, but I definitely go over there so I get to the bathroom. It was probiotic and a dietary supplement. So I'm going to be taking that.
But enough of me rambling, y'all, because I don't want to keep my camera up here. It's hot, y'all. It is hot outside. It's 97 degrees. And, like, the heat has been so crazy. Like, this is... Last summer, it wasn't like this. This heat this year, I suggest do not even go out around this time unless you can be inside, under some shade. Unless you just like being outside. So... And I'm pretty sure that I'm going to have to get a darker foundation or use a darker foundation because if I'm going to be outside, yeah. And definitely use sunscreen, y'all. My morning routine consists of sunscreen. So every time I wash my face, I always have sunscreen on. You have to use on your body too. I don't even do that. But that's something I will implement and start doing. But yeah, y'all, let's go get my mama, Miss Christina. Y'all, I'm going to take y'all on my day today.
I like my girls just like I like my honey, sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money, a little jealous. 'Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny.
So I'll be on time. I'm not gonna listen to this. I did watch my. So I. Hey y'all. So I had to bring my phone out and vlog on my phone instead of my camera because I'm not taking that big camera on the walk with me, y'all. So I'm on a walk. I did go get my eyebrows done yesterday, y'all. And I like company at the same time. I've been having big eyebrows for a while, so since they like skinny now, I just gotta get used to them. But I like them. And I'm about to do this now. I think it's a male. I don't know what it is, but I found this track by my house and I'm just walking it. Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the track. I'm not gonna show too much, but it's really long, y'all. My car is like all the way over there. But yeah, this is my very first time, and I'm also gonna see where to park at. Y'all, my car is far. I'm looking at it right now. I went to get my brows arched yesterday, so if my face looks different, that's what it is. My brows is a little bit more skinnier than what I had. I wanted to basically start over. She didn't do them right at the shop. She kept them thicker. I should have just told her to make them a little bit more smaller. But I went to another lady up the street from here, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let her do them. She did them clean then, but I didn't want them too thin. So this is where we at, and I actually got them fluffed up right now. Once they grow back, I'll be able to maintain them. So that's my goal for my brows. I got them waxy small, so when they go out, I'm gonna be putting oil and stuff on it so it can be more fuller. Told y'all the Instagram too. My task right now is to get this stuff up. I did put my cameras and stuff over there. I did go for a walk. I think y'all seen that earlier. For the first time today. The walk is 1.25 miles. So I walked it twice, so I did 2 miles. To get this up, it's not enough storage, y'all. It's not enough storage. It's not enough space for real. If I found the place to put my cameras and stuff, like over there, I would, but it's getting junky, y'all. So it's gonna be taxed.
And I know you know this
love how compact this camera is. I just wish that it was something similar to what we have here. So the big body DSLRs, I'm gonna talk more on that, y'all. The big body DSLRs are fire. I actually have 3 stand-up mics. Ooh, that's stuck in my head. And just when I thought I go time it, you better tune these in perfectly 1 minute.
So we did your pop balloon. Very nice. I'm Haitian, so love that. But I feel like
We're the same.
thank you. All right.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done organizing my camera stuff. So I'm just sitting right there until I find out how I want to put it. All that stuff where the milk box is right there, that stuff right there is stuff that I review. TikTok shop, they send me stuff. I'll review it on Instagram or TikTok or wherever I put it at. It's not paid, but I'm gonna just still review it because more content, that means more people can see it and brands. And then, my label printer, I don't know why, but it's not working, so I threw it away. I have to get another one. This is so far. I'm about to write down this mirror, fix that plant, and then I'm about to actually hook up this camera right there to the screen, because this is where I'm going to be doing my clothing hauls. So right there.
There's red pudding I had up here in the floor paper. That blind down in the kitchen, and it was a little pickup truck.
Hey Google, set timer to 14 minutes.
All right, 14 minutes. Starting now.
Y'all, this coffee hitting. Hitting.
Light up.
Hey gals. Now I know I have not been talking the whole morning. I've just been making stuff. I'm about to try these favorite yogurt raspberry thing. Okay. These actually really good, y'all. It's not a 10. I'm about to cut these apples up. And I got peanut butter. I got the natural peanut butter with honey. I'm gonna cut the apples up and put, just scoop some peanut butter out. And then just grab like a couple apples I'm gonna eat today. It's 7:21. I try my best to stop eating at 8, but if I can't, I'll just eat the last thing that I'm gonna eat tonight, and then I won't eat anymore. Today we gonna do a look. I meal prepped. So yesterday I'm gonna cook chicken thighs, potatoes, and string beans, and I got I got 8 pieces of chicken, but I only ate one yesterday. The second one, I got another one in the refrigerator. And then I got another batch that I can cook for the week. And I'm just gonna be eating like the same meal every day. But y'all, these are good. I'm gonna warm this up, but I'm gonna warm this up after I cut the apples up. Cut up the apples. Them things were so good. It's 10 out of 10. What's in it? I got some walnuts. No, pecans. I like walnuts and pecans. Those are my favorite kind of nuts. Besides the other ones. Pecan nuts. You can have them with, I put cheese and grapes. Or you can do like nuts and grapes like that. Pecans like these are good. Let's try with the grape. Okay, some good stuff today. Had 2 grapes. Alright, y'all, so cut the apples up, and then I'm just gonna scoop the peanut butter in the corner. This goes in the refrigerator. Y'all look good.
Yeah, them was already. They remind me of a strawberry waffle.
Raspberry.
No. Yeah, because you want piece of these, you see somebody do something.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and film me a look, okay? So I got some PR things over here, but I'm gonna use 2 beads, or one of them, and then I'll do the other one. I'll pass like 3 times, y'all. And then, I got some more stuff over here, but yeah. And I need to do that. I'm gonna pass this. Y'all know this camera's so close. Y'all know that I'm gonna get back in with y'all after